Welcome to an example on finding the equation of a line given 2 points. Okay, let's begin. They're giving us these 2 points. Let's begin by drawing an axis system and taking a look at those points. That's always helpful. Okay, so the first point is back 1, up 1. So it's right there, isn't it? Back 1, up 1, and the second point is over 0, up 1, so it's right there. So the line going through those 2 points would be a horizontal line, wouldn't it? So we're talking about the equation of a horizontal line. Well, that makes things pretty nice, doesn't it? Do you see, here's the x-axis, here's the y-axis. Which axis does it hit? Well, it hits the y-axis. Where? Up at a height of 1. This is 1, 2, 3. It hits at 1. So it's y equals 1. That's all there is to it. Now, we could go through, let me show you. You might wonder, well, you didn't do the slope or anything. I'll show you. I'll go through those formalities and show you we get the same answer. Remember the slope calculation? y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. So y2 minus y1, 1 minus 1, over x2, 0, minus x1, negative 1, is 0 over 0 plus 1. It's 0 over 1, which is just 0, right? 0 on the top of a fraction is just 0, so the slope is 0. So now we've got the equation y equals mx plus b. That's the general form of the equation. And we know the slope, the m, is 0. So plug that in. It's 0 times x plus b, which is gone. It's just b. So it's y equals b. Well, okay, yeah, but how do you know what b is? Well, now plug in a point. Either point, the negative 1, 1, or you could plug in the 1, 1. It doesn't matter, this one or that one. Grab either one, because this is x, this is y, this is x, this is y. And there's no x here, so forget about this x and forget about that x. Just plug in the y, and notice they're both the same. So y is 1. So b equals y, and y is 1, so b is 1. So therefore, y equals b, y equals 1, must be the equation. Same answer we got over here. I think it's easier just to graph the thing to see that it goes through the y-axis at a height of 1, so it's y equals 1. Horizontal and vertical lines only have one letter, right? This only has y, doesn't have an x at all. Vertical lines have x equals a number only, and they have no y. So vertical and horizontal lines are missing one of the 2 letters.